Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your recently played on your Spotify app or your Spotify web application. To do that, simply open Spotify if you're on your desktop, or you can also go to browser and head over to spotify.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. On the right hand side you can see your profile. What you want to do is you don't want to click any of this. Scroll below and then open a web player if you're opening it from your browser. Now when I go to Spotify home, I will show you that we have a recently played section on our user interface. When you scroll down below, there is a recently played playlist. As you can see, these are the playlists which I have recently played. Now if I right click on it, there isn't any option to delete it from a recently played option. So when I right click on any of the playlists, there is no option to delete it from recently played or remove it from recently played. So even if I click any of these albums over here, and then even if I click on these three dots, as you can see, there is no really any option to delete it from your recently played. So Spotify actually removed this feature recently. There was this option before to delete it from your recently played section or your recently played row, but Spotify has actually removed this option, and you can no longer delete recently played playlist on your Spotify homepage, home app, or any other desktop application. So what you want to do is simply go along with this, because there is really no any solution for this tutorial. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, do give a like, comment and subscribe, because we will bring you more awesome, honest videos like this one on our channel. So make sure to leave a like, and if you have any other questions, share them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in our next video.